The main objective of our Experience Makers Bootcamp is to help organizations understand what personalization at scale really means and how it's very different from what most organizations are doing today. To deliver customer experiences that are consistent, contextual and real-time in an omni-channel world, you need a platform-first mindset where you define everything just once and reuse it everywhere. In the bootcamp, we take you on a real journey that combines customer interactions across websites, mobile applications, call center and offline in-store environments to showcase what personalization at scale means in a hands-on way. Let's have a look at the customer journey, which you'll be able to implement and test yourself as part of our bootcamp. The customer journey starts on the bootcamp website. An anonymous, unknown customer goes to the website. By using the profile viewer panel, we can visualize the information that's being collected in real time. I'm currently identified by a first-party cookie-based identifier, which is the Experience Cloud ID, and currently very little is known about me, besides the fact that I've been to this website's homepage. For every page view, an event is sent by the website to Adobe Experience Platform in real time. So when visiting the Customer Journey Analytics page, that page view event is collected in real time and becomes part of the customer profile in real time, which you can see on the Profile Viewer panel. That behavior is also leading to a segment qualification in real time, which is then used to show a personalized image on the Bootcamp's homepage. This experience is delivered by Adobe Target, which reads the qualified segments from the real-time customer profile from the Adobe Edge in real time. So when visiting the Journey Optimizer page, the same thing happens. That event is also collected in real time, a new segment qualifies, and the experience on the homepage is updated in real time. Similarly, going to the real-time CDP product page leads to a new event being collected again, a new segment qualifying again, and the experience on the homepage being updated again. When I decide to become a known customer on the Bootcamp website by filling out the required fields and creating my account, the real-time customer profile in Adobe Experience Platform will further be enriched. As you can see, additional identifiers have now become available, which makes it possible to consolidate behavior and data collected along other channels into the same customer profile. The events that were collected on the website previously in the anonymous state are still available, so personalization from unknown to known remains consistent. As a new user that has just installed the Bootcamp mobile application, there are a number of consents to collect. Just like in real life, this application will use a variety of features on your phone to optimize your omnichannel customer experience. So the app requests you to allow the usage of Bluetooth to track your behavior across other companies and domains, to send notifications and use your location. After accepting all of that, I'm an unknown anonymous customer inside the mobile application, and by viewing a product inside the app, an event is once again sent to Adobe Experience Platform to a new unknown anonymous customer profile. And when I log in using the same email ID as the one on the website, the profile on the mobile application is merged in real time with the profile on the website into one single view. As an example, Adobe Target is now delivering the same experience inside the application, just like the one on the website. By viewing and buying one more product in the application, those events are also sent to Adobe Experience Platform in real time, and as you can see, by refreshing the Profile Viewer panel on the website, all behavior from inside the app is already joined to my profile on the website. Let's talk about taking online personalization into an offline location, like a store or a branch office or even an ATM. All those locations have beautiful displays that are showing a rotating, boring series of images. So how impactful would it be to take the same level of one-to-one personalization into those offline locations? Inside the mobile application, I'm now simulating a store entry by manually triggering a Bluetooth beacon. In real life, this wouldn't be manual, and beacons would be triggered automatically when the customer walks into the beacon range. After triggering the beacon, within a couple of seconds, a personalized image showing my last product view and a text containing my first name are now shown on the display. Imagine this working at scale in all your stores, branch offices or ATMs. This would truly be personalization at scale in an omnichannel world. After viewing another product in the application and triggering the beacon again, the image on the display changes again within seconds. Every beacon entry is sent to Adobe Experience Platform and becomes part of the customer profile there as well. which is visualized in a list of events. Think about the power of having such a list of events available for all your customers, showing all their activity across all channels. Personalization would suddenly be 100 times smarter, and the omnichannel customer journey insights you would get out of this would be mind-blowing, really allowing you to make a difference. It's very common to call a call center as part of a customer journey. And when that happens, it's almost always because a bad thing has happened. The call center should be considered an integral part of the customer journey, and service agents should have full visibility on all aspects of the relationship with the customer to avoid a disconnect when speaking to them and to give the customer the feeling of knowing them instead of frustrating them. So who loves calling a call center?
Welcome. For a faster service, please provide us with your customer ID followed by hash.
The call center in this demonstration is connected to the real-time customer profile in Adobe Experience Platform, and as such, it's able to use information from the profile in the call.
Hello, Wooter. For order status, press or say 1. For loyalty level, press or say 2. For loyalty, your beach blanket gray has shipped and will arrive tomorrow morning.
So when the customer identifies using the loyalty ID, things like first name and order status are pulled from the customer profile in Adobe Experience Platform, and when the customer then rates the call, that important feedback is sent back to the platform to ensure that it's taken into account when defining the next steps in the customer journey.
To go back to the main menu, press 1, otherwise press 2. Please rate your call satisfaction. Press number from 1 to 5. Thank you for your call.
This bidirectional integration is a requirement, and without it, customer experiences across call centers will continue to be challenging and disconnected. Based on the feedback from the customer in the call center, events are then stored in Adobe Experience Platform, and based on those events, segments will again qualify to ensure the right amount of personalization going forward. Everything you've just seen is built using Adobe Experience Platform, using a single data foundation, a single view of the customer profile in real time, a single definition of a segment, of an offer, and a journey. In the Experience Makers Bootcamp, you will learn how to configure and use the platform, and then, only then, you'll really understand the difference between a legacy point solution stack versus a real platform-first approach, and the benefits it brings in terms of technology, people, and process to really drive a one-to-one personalization mindset. I look forward to seeing you there.